Range Rover, a dream car for many men. Me too. This crash isn't too bad or too light. Every part is evenly damaged. The rear quarter panel is scratched. This taillight is broken. The tailgate also got damaged a bit. The rubber sealing strip is torn slightly. The continuous rear light bar here is also cracked. The lower trim cover is scraped too. Even the bumper is slightly damaged. The damage looks small, but almost every component got hurt a little. According to the official insurance estimation standards, the total cost will be very high. Rear fender and taillight. Look at this. Basically, the whole rear needs replacement. So the repair cost will be huge. That's why as a car owner, you need to understand a little about automotive knowledge, at least some basic concepts. After a small accident like this is settled, you might end up with a large accident record in the database. That means you lose your car's value. About this rear quarter panel damage, because it's a non-detachable part of the car body. Everyone knows that damage here will greatly affect resale value, especially for high-end cars. The impact is massive. This also depends on the appraisal policy. For example, a damaged door or trunk lid, even if badly smashed, doesn't affect much, but rear quarter panel damage does. That's serious. Same for door frame or pillar structure. When you get out of the car, if your seatbelt retractor leaves a dent, even that mark affects resale. It all matters. Many people, when selling their cars later, can't accept this reality. We get these kinds of questions all the time. So really, it's good to know a little. People complain my intros are long, but they're useful. Listen, it helps. Some viewers know cars and don't want to hear it, but most don't. And listening never hurts. Another common topic: inspection records. Let me repeat, failed inspections are all recorded. Understand, they're all stored. Now, about our workshop philosophy. We always try to restore the car to factory condition, exactly as it was built. That's our repair philosophy. No matter the damage record, big or small accident, we always follow factory level, production line repair techniques to make it look and perform like new. Even if the car depreciates later, the difference in value can still be significant. The better it's repaired, the more buyers will accept it. And if you keep it yourself, you'll feel at ease. Otherwise, you'll always think that spot's rusty. It'll corrode later. Even minor oxidation bothers some. It's uncomfortable to see. Many car lovers are perfectionists. They have OCD level care. I'm the same. I truly love cars deeply. Back to this one, there's an issue. The paint cracked here. It's peeling off. This paint can't be saved. Some parts are even gone. And underneath, there are cracks. All burst. We'll have to weld it again. Experience tells us. This area always splits after an impact. As for the rear bumper, it's plastic, so we might not need to replace it. It's a fiber material. We can patch it with fiber resin. That's enough. It'll be fine. The main issue is with the taillight marks. If they can't be repaired, a new light would be extremely costly. Not worth it. So in repairs, we try not to enlarge the damage area. If it can be repaired, repair it. No need to over-replace. The more parts you replace, the more complex it gets. Glass removal, screws, wiring, all affect structure. Alright, that's the situation for this car. Next, let's follow the repair progress. Okay, let's get started. Please accept it.